Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sharma Dalpalar. Today I'm going to do the perineal care. So the indication of this is to avoid microorganism spread between the perineal to avoid infection of for patients comfort and relaxation. So first, we're going to read the chart and knock on the door for patients courtesy. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sharma Dalpalar. I am a caregiver for 5 patients with IPM. Secretly check the staff of the patient. Then after checking, tell them the procedure, ma'am, and go to clean your perineal. Is it okay? It is for your, it's for you to avoid infection and for your comfort and relaxation. Then after that, go by the side. After cleaning the vital side, for you to leave, ma'am, I'm going to leave you your bowel to prepare the materials. So break the side rails and lock. Then go to the nursing station to prepare the materials. After do hand washing, wear PPE. After preparing materials, go back to the patient's room. So, ako na dapat courtesy, ma'am, I'm back. So, before we're going to start, they want to urinate or defecate. So, now then, close the curtains for patient privacy. Then, unstop the top sheet. Then, put the patient in, abduct the patient's leg, then fold in a drape. So find the corner and let it meet at the center. Then, put the patient into dorsal recumbent position. We are going to put the roll towel at the bottom of the patient. Put both hands at the abdomen. And put the roll towel at the bottom of the patient. The purpose of this is to elevate to level with the bedpan. Body mechanics. Then insert the bedpan. So there are 4 kinds of bedpan. There are stainless, aluminum, plastic, and enamel. So we're using the stainless, aluminum. Then pour water, swirl, then discard. The purpose of this is to minimize the discard. The purpose of this is to remove the coldness of the bedpan, then insert at the side. Lift the buttocks of the patient. Now I'm going to put the towel at the abdomen. And roll the top sheet. So first is test the warmness of the water. Okay, it is warm. So test the warmness of the water. It is warm. Okay. Then do initial rinsing. So first is the Mons Cusis. To the center. Cordis labia minora, cordis labia majora, cordis labia minora, towel with the basin. So make a mist. Wash, rinse, rinse. Most use this. For this Nadia Maydora, use Nadia Maydora. Wash, rinse, rinse. For this Nadia Maydora, most use this. Use Nadia Maydora. Use Nadia Maydora. Wash, rinse, rinse. For this joy, use joy. Wash, rinse, rinse. For this inner thigh, then use inner thigh. Then wash, rinse, rinse. Add soap. Then mosquitoes. For this Nadia Maydora, use Nadia Maydora. Wash, rinse, rinse. Mosquitoes. For this Nadia Maydora, use Nadia Maydora. Use Nadia Maydora. Wash, rinse, rinse. For this joint, use joint. Wash, rinse, rinse. For this inner thigh, use inner thigh. Wash, rinse, rinse. So rinse. Mosquitoes. For this Nadia Maydora, use Nadia Maydora. Wash, rinse, rinse. Mosquitoes. Use Nadia Maydora. Use Nadia Maydora. Wash, rinse, rinse. For this joint, use joint. Wash, rinse, rinse. For this inner thigh, then use inner thigh. Next is I'm going to prepare the materials. I'm going to prepare the materials for the cleaning the center. So prepare cotton balls. Then get the gauze pad, check its integrity. Then get the sterile gloves, check its integrity, any discoloration and stick bite, okay, none. So I'm going to remove my clean gloves. Then do hand washing, apply hand sanitize, then pour powder. Then find the glove and rub. Then open. Open. First is my non-dominant hand. Then next is the non-dominant. Then fix the gloves. So, please open the towel. So, I'm going to use the pick and transfer. So, pick, cotton ball, and transfer. So, clean first the center, the clitoris, urethra, vagina. Then, start, pick, transfer, clitoris, urethra, vagina. Anus, then the chocolate, then drop, pick, then transfer, anus, buttocks, then the chocolate. Then, I'm using my contaminated hand to get the picture. So, clean the mosquitoes center. Farthest labia minora, farthest labia majora, nearest labia minora, nearest labia majora, farthest joint, nearest joint, farthest inner thigh, then nearest inner thigh. Then using my sterile hand, I'm going to get the gauze pad. this, the clitoris, urethra, vagina, fold. Farthest labia minora, third, nearest labia minora, then discard. Get another OS pad. Farthest labia majora, nearest labia majora, then mons cutis, zigzag stroke upward. Then get another OS pad. Farthest groin, third, nearest groin. Fold, farthest inner thigh, zigzag stroke. Fold, nearest inner thigh, zigzag stroke. Then get another OS pad for anus, buttocks, then go shuffle. Now, I'm going to paint the laceration. So there are two kinds of laceration, the medial and lateral. So I'm going to paint using forceps. Get the cotton balls with betadine. Then paint the laceration part. Do it at least 3 times. I'm done.
Walang ba? Ako na lang design mo ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Ulitin mo sa drawing dapat go down. Ayaw pa ipasakat.
Okay.
One question, ma'am.
Oo.
Ang kaning pag kung ano sterile, ma'am ba?